Hello students, in this video we will understand the exercise 11b, okay, that is simple interest. So first we will understand some formulae. So first formula we will understand how to calculate principal. So principal is equal to 100 into simple interest by rate into time, okay. Next, if we want to find out time, then how we can calculate it? We can find it by 100 into simple interest by principal into rate of interest. If we want to find out rate, how we can find out? So, rate will be equal to 100 into simple interest by time into principal. So these are the three formulas by which we can calculate principal, time and rate. So now we will go to exercise. So let us start now exercise 11b, question number 1. In question number 1 it's saying that find the principal in each of the following. So you have to find the principal here. So I will solve the first bit, that is simple interest rupees 180, rate is given as 4%, time is given as 3 years. So we will write the formula of principal first. So what is the formula of principal? We know that principal is equal to SI into 100 by time into rate. So SI is how much? SI is rupees 180 into 100 by time is 3 years and rate is 4%. So now we will solve it. So it will be cancelled, 360 ja and 4 25 ja. So 25 60 into, so it will come rupees 1500. So this is our answer. Students, isn't it very easy? Okay, so let us see. So I hope that you can solve the other two bits on your own. Now we will go to question number 2. In question number 2 it is saying that find the rate of interest in each of the following, where principal is given rupees 660, simple interest is given rupees 138.60 and time is given as 3 years. So now we will solve. So since we have to find the rate of interest here, so we will write the rate of interest formula here, okay. So as we know that rate of interest R is equal to SI into 100 by principal into time. So SI is how much? Rupees 138.60 into 100 by principal is rupees 660 into time is 3 years. So now we will cancel it. But before cancelling we will remove the decimal. Okay, so we will write like this, that 13860, since two decimal places are there, so it will be divided by 100. To remove the decimals we have kept here, you see two decimal places are there, so to remove that we have divided by 100. Okay, next into 100 by into 660 into 3. So this 100 and this 100 got cancelled. Okay, now we will see that this is divisible by 3 and 1010 will get cancelled. So now it has become 1386 by 66 into 3. So now we will see that whether it is getting divisible by 6 or not. So 6 11 ja here, 6 2 ja 12, 1 6 3 ja 18, 6 1 ja 6. So it is 231 it's coming. So again it will cancel by 11. So now 11 1 ja here and 11 2 ja 22, remaining 1, 11 1 ja 11. And now again it will get cancelled by 3 7 ja. So what is our answer? So answer is 7%. Why percent? Because here it is rate. Remember, rate means you have to write it in percentage. So this is our answer. Isn't it very simple? So I hope you will solve the other bits on your own. Now let us go to question number 3. So what is saying in question number 3? It's saying that find the time period. We have to find the time period in each of the following. Principal is given rupees 550, simple interest rupees 82.50, and rate is 5% per annum. So first we'll write the formula of time period. So time period T is equal to SI into 100 by principal into rate of interest. So simple interest is how much? Rupees 82.50 into 100 by principal is how much? It is rupees 550 into rate is 5%. So first we will remove the decimal here. So 82.50 we will write 8250, and because two decimal places are there, so we will write here by 100. Okay. Then below what is there? 550 was there, so we will write into 550 into 5. This is the process to remove the decimal. So now 20 and 20 will get cancelled, and also 1010 will get cancelled. So now we have got 825 by 55 into 5. So it will get cancelled by 5. So 5 1 ja 5, 3 5 6 ja 32, 5 5 ja. Okay, so 5 got cancelled. Then again it will get cancelled by 5. So 5 3 ja 15, 1 5 3 ja 15, and it will give 11 by 5 11 ja. So now again 11 will get cancelled, 11 1 ja and 11 3 ja. So answer is 3 years, because here it is time period. So remember, time period means unit will be in years. How we know that it will be years? Because here it is written per annum. Rate is given in per annum. So whenever the rate is in per annum, then the time will be in years. Remember that. Okay, this is our answer. I hope you can solve the other bits on your own. So let us go to the next question now. That is question number 4. So in question number 4 it is saying that find the principal in each of the following. So you have to find the principal here. Amount is given, rate is given, and time is also given. Okay, so how we can solve this? It's very simple. Let us see that. In this question we will solve bit 1. So here we will put the formula of principal. Principal is equal to SI into 100 by time into rate. So our we will not do in this method, we will change the method. So first we will write let principal is equal to x. Okay, so now simple interest, you know the formula is that P into R into T by 100. So principal is our how much? X. We will write here x here. Rate is 12.5%. Time is 2 years by 100. We will remove the decimal. So it will become x into 125 into 2. Since we have removed one decimal from here, so we will write here 110 into 100. Now we will cancel it. So 25 5 ja and 25 4 ja, and then 2 5 ja and 5 have cancelled. So it will be x by 4. So x by 4 is what? It is our simple interest. When the principal is x. So now as we know that principal plus simple interest is equal to how much? Amount. We know that. So we'll put the value of that. So now principal is how much? X. Interest is how much? X by 4 is our interest. This is our interest. Equal to amount is how much? Amount is given rupees 800. So we'll write here 800. Okay. Now we'll solve this. So if we do LCM, then we'll get 4x plus x by 4 equal to 800. So it will become 4x plus x will become 5x by 4 equal to 800. So x will be equal to 800 into 4 by 5. You see here it is in by 4. have become here into 4, and into 5 has become here by 5. So we'll get cancel 5 16 ja, so that is 640. So this is our answer. We have to find the principal. We have taken the principal as x, and x is rupees 640. So this is our answer. Is it clear? So you solve the second bit on your own. Now we will see question number 5. What is there in question number 5? It is saying that at what rate per annum will rupees 500 amount to rupees 800 in 6 years? So it is saying that 500 will become 800, or it will amount to 800. Means what? Means principal is rupees 500, amount is given as rupees 800, time is given 6 years. So we will write that we know that simple interest is equal to amount minus principal. Amount is 800, principal is 500, so 800 minus 500 will be rupees 300. So simple interest is how much? Rupees 300. Okay, so now we have to find the rate. So we will write rate is equal to SI into 100 by principal into time. So SI is how much? 300 into 100 by principal is how much? 500 into time is how much? 6 years. So we will cancel it. So 0 0 will get cancelled, and here it will be 5 60 ja, then 6 10 ja. So rate is 10%. This is our answer. Very simple. Yes or no? Okay, now let us see question number 10. What is there in question number 10? In question number 10 it is saying that on what sum will the principal with the simple interest amount to rupees 196, okay, in 4 years at 5% per annum. Let us see the question once again. On what sum? So here sum means what? Remember, sum means principal. That means we have to find the principal. We have to find principal. Next, simple interest amount to. That means 196 is the simple interest. Okay. So what is our simple interest? It is rupees 196 in 4 years. So time is 4 years, and rate is 5% per annum. So now we have to find principal. So principal formula is how much? P is equal to SI into 100 by rate into time. So SI is 196 into 100 by rate is 5%, time is 4. So now we'll cancel it. 4 ja 16, remaining is 3, 4 9 ja 36, and 5 20 ja. So 49 2 ja 980. So principal is rupees 980. So this is our answer. Isn't it very easy? Let us see question number 15 now. Here it is saying that a certain sum of money was invested at a certain rate for 3 years. Had it been invested 2% higher rate, it would have fetched rupees 360 more. So find the sum. Find the sum. So in the question it is saying that a certain sum of money, certain means unknown principal, was invested for a certain rate, the rate also unknown, for 3 years. Okay. Now had it been invested 2% higher rate, so in the second case, if the interest rate 2% higher, then what would happen? It would have fetched rupees 360 more. That means the simple interest will be 360 more. So you have to find the sum. You have to find the sum. So how we can do this? Very simple. First we will take case 1 and then we will take case 2. Okay. So we will write here case 1. So in case 1 we will write that let the principal is equal to x, okay, and the rate be r, rate be r, okay. Then what will be the time is how much? 3 years. So what will be the simple interest? So we will write it simple interest 1 SI1 is equal to P into T into R by 100. So P is how much? X. T is how much? 3. Rate is R by 100. So this is our SI1. Now if we will take case 2, in case 2 what happens? Here the principal is same, that is X, but rate is how much? Rate is 2% higher rate. That means earlier it was R, now it is R plus 2%. Okay, time is again 3 years only. So now we'll try to find out SI2, that is simple interest 2 for case 2. So principal into time into rate by 100. So now principal is how much? X. Time is again 3. Rate is how much? Rate is our R plus 2 by 100. SI2. Now in the question it is given that it will have fetched more. That means case 2 the simple interest will be more than the case 1. So we will write that SI2 is more than SI1. So what is the difference of SI2 and SI1? It will be rupees 360 only. Yes or no? Yes. So we will solve that now. So now we'll put the value. So SI2 is how much? 3x whole into R plus 2. We have to keep this in bracket, remember, by 100 minus SI1 is 3x into R by 100 equal to 360. So now LCM will be 100 LCM. Now if you open the bracket, it will become 3x into R plus 2 into 3x will become 6x minus 3x into R. Remember, when you open the bracket, 3x will be multiplied to R as well as 3x will be multiplied to 2. So 2 into 3x will be 6x equal to 360. So now plus 3xr and minus 3xr will get cancelled and 6x by 100 is equal to 360. So x will be equal to 360 into 100 by 6. Into 6 we have become by 6 and by 100 has become into 100. So now it will be 660 ja. So that is equal to rupees 6,000 and this is our answer. This is the principal. See, we have taken the principal as x. So we have got the principal. They are telling us to find the sum. So this is the sum and the sum is 6,000. This is our answer. I hope you understood this. Okay, students. So now note down your homework. So complete exercise 11B. Okay, bye bye.